Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, dan selamat sejahtera, salam sejahtera. So, hari ini saya akan berkongsi dengan anda tajuk inventory valuation. So, I will use two mode of language, more or less English and Malay. So, the questions of November 2019, question number 3. So you can refer to these questions. The following are transaction from the first 3 months of year 2019 for contract enterprise: date, quantity, price per unit. This is the transactions occurred, purchase and sales. So this is the transaction of inventory involve purchase and sales, and in this question they list out the date of transactions. Purchase on 1st January, February and March, whereas sales on 31st January, 28th of February and 31st March. So purchase occurred in early of the months and sale occurred at the end of the months. So we have to note that we have noted the date. Actually, you have to sort the date, which come first and which come first, or which come earlier and then later. And stock on the 1st of January was 400 units. This notes, student always forget to take up of this record of 1st January. For stock of January is considered as a balance with price of 44 ringgit per unit, and then selling price is 75 ringgit. So this is selling price is used for calculating the sales figure. So in terms of our method, they use only this figure. Okay, I highlight yellow color, so we use this price. So the stock of price will use the figure. Please ignore the selling price. We have only used price per unit figure to calculate the stock valuations. Alright, so in these questions from the transactions, we do have to provide the inventory evaluations under two methods: first in, first out, FIFO or FIFO, or average cost AVCO. Then I also will share with you the third method is last in, first out. So I will show you the first method, the first in, first out. First in, first out. We have to, in your exam, you have to prepare this schedule or the table. Consists of date, purchase, issues and balance. So this is purchase or in, issues, sale or out, and this is a balance. So when we purchase the inventory, our stock will be increased. When we issue or sales, our balance will be decreased. So the purchase, this is all using the cost per unit. Alright, that I will highlight it in the question yellow color. So we are using this three figures. Okay, first you have to record the balance of on the 1st of January. So I will actually have prepared the answer, but I just the font I have already changed to white color. Then I just, and this is accounts, it says about step by step. Then we have to change the color, normal color, black color. So first in first out. What is first in first out? Masuk dulu MDKD, masuk dulu, keluar kemudian. Alright, when we have the three level of the inventory, we have to come out the earliest inventory. For example, we purchase the first day, second day, and third day. Then we have to take out the for first day inventory. This is what we call first in, first out. So we have to take out the first day of the inventory, then followed by the second day and third day. So how to show or to record in this table. So first we have to record this stock. Okay, alright, stock of 400 units at 75 ringgit. Alright, this is 1st of January, 400 units and 44 ringgit. And then next date is February. We have 1 February and 28 February. 1st of February, the purchase has occurred. So we have to not record first the 1st of February of purchase transactions. So on the purchase transactions, we have to record at the column of purchase. So at every column, title, purchase, sales, and balance, we have a units, cost per unit, and balance. Alright. So we purchased on 1st of January of 750, 45 ringgit per unit. Then our balance will increase. But what we have to share with you, our cost per unit is differ. 45 and 44. Then we have to differentiate, or you have to divide, or we have to show record at different price of cost per unit. Then this 400 units okay, I will show you. this is 400, so we will bring down this figure. You have to carry out of 400 unit here. Okay, and bring down. Okay, the new balance account, and this 750. Okay, we have to bring down the balance earlier to new line, and we purchase a new 750, and our balance will increase. Okay, this is first in first out, meaning I noted this is number 1 and this is number 2. Number 1 is referred to the first, when we compare which is the ranking, in terms of ranking, then number 1 is the first ranking, and then second is second ranking of the in and out, first in and first out. Okay, after that, after 1st of January, so look at the questions. We have 1 February also purchase, 31st of January. Okay, 31st of January. January, what has been occurred is 360 unit has been our inventory is out or sale off of 360. So we have to refer our balance. So we have 400. Then we have to remember we use the first in first out methods at FIFO. Then I just noted this is ranking number 1. We have already 400 balance. Then at 31st of January we need only 360 unit. Okay, then we can use all this number 1 from 400. We take out of 360. Okay, I just refer to this one, right? So we, from 400 we take out 360, then the balance will be 400 minus 36 to the 360. So 700 is remain same. Alright, so our new balance will be for 40 from 400 minus 360. and 750 is remain the same. So how to get the 40 is 400 minus 360. Why we take the 400 figure? Because of using first in first out. We have to use or finish earlier. Finish the inventory comes earlier. For example, sayur kalau penjual tu sayur yang baru kita beli tu akan dijual awal lah. Yang contohnya hari pertama sayur dibeli pada hari pertama, and then pada hari kedua, so dia jual hari pertama dahulu, habiskan hari pertama sebab dia akan layu kan, sayur tu akan layu. Okay, next is after 31st of January we have first of March purchase transactions. So I will go fast. Okay, if purchase, so we using the same method of 1st of January, alright? So I will go fast. Okay, just refresh this figure, this balance. So bring down, and this 900 you just add up. So when purchase is very easy, then so you have to note that this is a first, a second, and third ranking. Ranking meaning we purchase first, and then after that, after 1st of February, what the transaction occurred is 28th of February sales out. 28th of February. Okay, 28th of February we the inventory use of 550 units. So look at our balance. 440, 750 and 900. So we need to take out of 540 unit. Then from 40 we use all the 40, and the balance of 550 minus 40, how much? 550 minus 750. So we just already use the 40, right? So our balance of on 28th of February, we need to, our inventory will come out of 540. Then we are using 400. Then the balance is 500. Sorry, the balance is 500. Okay, in the sales, $40 from here. So we use, so from the ranking first 40 we have to use all this, and then we use 750 unit left. Then from 170 50 we are using 500. Then we are using 44 cost per unit and 45. And the balance from 750 you have to deduct of 500. Then the balance of the 900 is remain same. Okay, then after 38th of February, on the 1st of March, is our purchase occurred. Okay, same as of 1st of February. And then last is on 31st of March is 600 units. So we have ranking number 1 here. We sort according to the dates of purchase. Okay, so from 600 we are using 250 and 900s. So this is 600 if you sum out. Then you get right, 500. And then the balance is we are using from 900 using 350. Then the balance will reduce to 550 and 1000 remain same. Okay, we already finished of the method FIFO, which is our ending inventory is 550 units and 1000, which is 1550 units with different price of 46 and 46 ringgit. Alright, sorry, 46 ringgit. Which is 25,300 and 1000 units of 47. Okay, for the purpose of calculating the cost of goods sold, we just refer to the sales column or out column. So this is what we call cost of goods sold. Is you have to calculate beginning from 31st of January, all this column, on the balance column. Then you have to come up, sum up from as early as 31st of January until the 31st of March. Then the total of cost of goods sold for 3 months is 51,060 and 610. Okay, next is average cost. So average cost. Okay, average cost is very simple. So I just go fast. Balance is same as earliest method. Okay, then we from the average cost is we just use one price of cost, one price. Then we have to take the average purata, right? So then we have get the decimal point, so up to 4 decimal points. Okay, I just so how to get then we have purchase 45. How to get 44? I just circle of the balance 17,000 ringgit. This is a ringgit and this is ringgit. Divide by units 400 and 750. So this one, alright. So we'll get 447043 here. So we need to calculate the new average cost. Okay, you just focus on the circles, ringgit, and divide by units. Alright, then we got the 47 points. And this cost AVCO means AVCO. This is AVCO first. Average cost. Then we are using this price. No need to identify which price is different price. Then next is 31st of January. You just straight away use 44.7043. Then our balance 1150 minus 160 is 1700, and then we are using the same. Then on the February, when the new purchase, our price will be different. Again, you have to circle up 35 here, 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 and here. Then we get the new price of AVCO is 45.3941. So easy here. So we use 45.3941, and the balance is 790 plus 900. Okay, next is on March. Alright, we sell our inventory has taken out of 550. Then we just use the new AVCO price. Okay, AVCO. Alright, and second 45.391. Then our stock will be reduced by 550 units to 1150. And then on last of the month of March, we purchase 1000. Then we calculate the AVCO. Okay, the new AVCO is 46.1409, and the last of transactions is 600 units is taken out. Then our balance is 1550 using the same figure. Then our inventory still 1550, but we are using the AVCO price 46.1409, and it's different compared to first in first out methods. Okay, so this is how we are using 46 and 47. Then with AVCO we are using one price only, 46.1409. Okay, we just bulatkan nombor kepada 71518. Then I want to show you the when using the last in first out. It's not come out the exam, but it's for your reference. Okay, last in first out is likely as first in first out. So I just show you the balance, and first of January, and then again first of January we purchase of as 750. Then you just same. We just okay, bring down, and then just add up, and then this is when comes to last in first out. For my method, this considered number one, this is number two. We have to clear out the number one first, and then number two. This is the item is not lapuk, tak ada, bukannya lapuk lah ya. For example, sardine. So sardine, which is the first come last in, because kita kena susun sardine tu kan, sardine kan. So yang awal tu dia boleh keluarkan lah, sebab sardine ni dia tempoh lapuk dia terlalu lama lah, ya. Yeah? So kita keluarkan yang paling awal, paling latest kita beli lah. Contohnya di first day, second day, hari pertama dan hari kedua, kita akan keluarkan yang hari kedua terlebih dahulu, last in first out. Okay. So yang ni kita gunakan pada harga 45 ya. Kita jual berapa? Kita jual berapa unit sini? 360. So kita gunakan yang first ni. Jadi baki dia dah tinggal 400 ni tak berubah ya. Okay, guna pada harga 45. Okay, tu macam how to get 390. You just 750 minus 360, then we got 390. So this how to get 390 is, so I use this area, 750 minus 360, then we got 390. Okay, so this is remain the same. So we will use this the latest purchase, last in first out. Okay, so then this is okay. Then next is 31st of 1 of February, we purchase again, same as January, February. Okay, you just bring down all this together and you just add up. So we have three range of price: 44, 45, and 46. Then on March, we take out of 540. Then I just use this. This is the first, second, and third, using the last in first out. Then we have to use of 900 because this come early later. Then we use this last in first out. Okay, so we are using 46 price of 46. Then 490 is we are not using, it's remain same. Okay, then how to get 360 is from 900 minus 550 is 360. So our stock is 900, then you take out 550, our balance is 360, and this will bring down. Okay, then at the end of the month we purchase again. Okay, the ranking will be, this is the first ranking, last in, first out, and then at the 31st of March is from 1000 we are using 600, then our balance will be 400. Okay, so we not touch of this figure, this inventory, then we just use of 1000 minus 600, then we get 400. Okay, so cost of goods sold also apply the same formula. You just count sum up of these sales columns on the balance figure, 69,240 cost of goods sold. Okay, this is very easy to calculate the ending inventory. Just from the last of 31st of March, say our stock stand at various of price range of 444, 300, and then we just come sum up. Okay, so this is last in, first out. We have covered three methods: first in, first out, average cost, and last in, first out. Then to what the second question is, prepare a trading account. Trading accounts is we have to show the sales minus cost of goods sold. You will get the gross profit. Okay, so how to calculate the sales? Sales is how to get the sales. Campurkan sum up 360 plus 450. I just use the color green color. 360 plus 540 and 600 ringgit. Then you will get how many units is 360 plus 540 plus 600 is at 1,500 units, and you have to multiply with 75 ringgit per unit, because this is stated in the question, selling price at 75 per ringgit. So refer to the question, selling price is 75 ringgit. Do not use this price. Okay, so you just you have to note that the selling price is greater than purchase price. 75 ringgit is greater from first purchase price. Okay, you have to 1000 simply times 75, then we got 1,500 sales price, and then you have to refer back the cost of goods sold of first in, first out is 51 and 60. Yeah, so minus it, then you will get the 60,890. This is first in first out method. Okay, and then same apply to average cost is 44. Okay, then our profit will increase, will high if you use first in first out method rather than average cost method, because of the cost of goods sold is different. Okay, we have complete the question of 15 marks. Bye bye, see you again, and hopefully you can share to your friends, or you can subscribe of you just press subscribe. Okay, subscribe my YouTube if it's benefited to you. Just tekan push button, push ring button, push link button on YouTube and subscribe, because it can be benefited to you, because this is my motivation to share to you about the accounting, finance, and also the computer and entrepreneurship knowledge. Okay, bye bye.